AI is taking over the world. Not really, but I'll show you how AI can help with your dropshipping business. Before we start, I want to let you know that AI won't create and run your business for you. You still need to put in the hard work. Watch to the end and I'll show you real results on what AI did for my Shopify store. This is a store that I created in my last video and it already produced some sales. Very simple, clean website. Here is how I use AI to optimize and market my store for sales. First, we want to optimize our product descriptions. Let's head on over to ChatGPT to get some help. We are going to ask ChatGPT to write a product description for one of our products. And here we go. ChatGPT just wrote us a perfectly optimized product description. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this and paste it right onto our product. Go ahead and save it. Now let's take a look at our page. Looks very clean. We have a nice picture right here, the product title, the sizes, add to cart, buy it now, and the description right here. And this description, it looks a little bit hard to read because it looks like one big paragraph. So we're going to go ahead and split up the paragraph to make it look a little nicer. I will bring this down a little bit and spread out the paragraphs so it's easier on the eyes. Perfect. Now let's take a look. Okay, and there we go. It looks a lot nicer with the paragraphs spaced out like this. A perfectly good description, and this product is ready to make sales. After we use ChatGPT to optimize our descriptions, we're going to want to create our marketing content. The easiest and free way to do this is using the TikTok app. We won't be posting on TikTok, but we're just using their app to help us create content using AI. Here we are in the TikTok app. First, we act like we're going to upload a video. We're going to go ahead and select the pictures that we downloaded from our website. Here are my 5 pictures that I choose for this video. And we go to auto cut right here. Now just give it a minute to process and the video will be created automatically for you. This is amazing. And here we are, the video. Okay, that looks really good. I like the video, so we're going to use this for our marketing. Just go ahead and go to save right here. Then tap this arrow and save it to your device. And there we go. This video is now ready to be used on Instagram for our marketing. The Instagram account I use is right here. It has over 3,000 followers and I spent a long time building it up. It has quite a few posts here and this is what I use to market my shop. I'm going to go ahead and post that video we created on TikTok right onto this Instagram and let's see how many sales we get from this. It's been about 2 hours since we posted that video and so far we've made 2 sales. That's not bad considering how quickly we set up this campaign. From the 2 sales, we have a revenue of about $99 and the product cost about $19. So that gives us $80 in profit for this campaign. There are some things we could have done to improve the results. We could have added a discount code to the video, something like 10 or 20% off. That would really be helpful. That's pretty much it for today. Subscribe to my channel for more dropshipping tips. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below.